to be doing the Gunge Granny Challenge.
Okay guys, welcome to Gunge Granny today. Many thanks to Granny for our participation. And we're now going to start the contest. Each question you get right, you'll get a star up on your chart. Up there. When you get to 3, you Gunge Granny. Are you ready guys? Okay guys, here's the first question. What temperature does water freeze?
-0.
Esmie.
-0.
-0? Let me just go to the referee. We just need to confirm that. We'll accept that. We will accept that. So Esmie.
I said the answer.
Esmie buzzed in first. Esmie.
I said, woo! That does not look like a star.
It's a rubbish star, isn't it? I know.
Oh.
Okay, guys. Question number 2. What is 11 plus 8? Esmie.
19.
Yeah, don't worry. Guys, question number 3. How do you spell snooze? Esmie.
S-N-O-O.
Yeah.
O.
Ooh, that's a no. She said too. She said too many zeros. Joey, buzz in. How do you spell snooze? S N. Yeah.
Z-E.
No, I'm afraid not. That question is out. It's still 1-1 here at the world of Esmie. Next question, guys. What is the capital city of France? I'll give you a clue. It begins with P. I'll give you another clue. It's in Disneyland.
Paris!
Joey just got there before. Joey takes the lead. Joey, you are 1 question away from Gunging a Granny.
Dun, dun, dun.
On to the next question, guys. This is getting tense. I'm sweating with the tension here.
I'm sweating, I'm really hot.
I know. Listen up, guys. How many sides does a hexagon have? Esmie. Esmie? 8? No. Joey? No, that's a pentagon. Okay, guys, you better get this right because I'm running out of questions and everyone's getting really hot here and Granny's getting a bit apprehensive. Next question. What does red and white mix make? What colour?
Brown.
No.
Pink.
Esmie? Yes!
You just said
Correct! This is tense. It's 2-2. The next
Daddy,
question.
you said the answer.
Joey, be quiet. Don't ruin television.
Joey, I
I'll
did.
have to edit that out. Right, okay. So the next question wins the contest, guys. Joey, are you feeling the pressure? Esmie, are you feeling tense? How are you feeling, Granny? How many hours in a day?
24.
You win, Esmie! Esmie gets to Gunge Granny! Okay, guys, as you can see... Okay, guys, as you can see, Esmie got the 3 stars. Esmie is now going to Gunge a Granny. Esmie, are you ready for your moment of glory?
Yeah.
I will now get the gunge.
No.
Here is the gunge, guys. Esmie, are you ready to Gunge a Granny?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! We're not done yet at Esmie's World. There is a bonus bit of mess coming your way that the kids don't know about. They have to guess Granny's age, and the person who gets the closest to Granny's age gets to do a bonus bucket of chopped tomatoes and mushy peas on a gungy head. let's get to the bonus action. Bonus gunge round. There is one more question for the gunging. And here is that question. Guys, how old is Nanny?
62.
62, okay.
63.
63, okay. I can confirm that Granny is 64. So Joey is the closest. Joey gets to do the bonus gunging. And let's just show people at home what's in there. That is it, guys. It is tomatoes mixed with a bit of slime in there. Really yummy. Yeah. Come back for the final bonus gunging. Joey, are you ready? Granny, are you ready for your extra special gunging? Here we go, guys. Are you ready, Joey?
Oh, God.
Here we go. Right, Joey. Here you go, Joey. Are you ready for the bonus dunking challenge?
Dun, dun, dun.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Look at her head.
Wash your tomatoes and mushy peas off your back. It's stuck a bit down your sarong as well. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for watching Esmie's World. Like and subscribe. Bye.
And say bye, Granny.
Bye.